Hi, I'm Ann Moles, and thank you for joining another ASBNC Academy Quick Tip. I want to show you how to work with one monitor. Okay, so a lot of times when I'm out on the road, I can't carry an extra monitor. So what I like to do, I like to work with one monitor. But in working with one monitor, there is a little quirky issue where you'll see duplicate imagery on your slide when working with one monitor. So what I want to show you to do is I want to show you how to work to set that monitor to where it's going to show just the one monitor, the primary monitor, and it'll get rid of that duplicate issue. First, let me show you what the duplicate issue looks like. Now, on that, you'll see that when we select the slideshow view, because we have it set to automatic, there's some extra boxes that are showing because what we do, we make our videos and our presentations as interactive as possible. Okay, so if you notice, there are some yeah, there's some little duplicate boxes. So what we want to do, we want to get rid of those, okay? So the first thing that you're wanting to do, we'll go ahead and get out of this, is you're wanting to set your monitor to where it is the primary monitor. Right now it's set to automatic. So you'll go to your slideshow tab and then under your monitors group, you'll select that drop down and then you'll select primary monitor and then go back to your presentation and you will see that those extra boxes are gone. Okay, so that's what you're wanting to do, is to make sure that you're not getting any duplicate slide information on your presentation. That's so frustrating, isn't it? Well, we just hope that helped you out today, and definitely share this video. And if there's anything we can do, contact us at ASBNC Training and Consulting, and we will be glad to help you with your training needs.